Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and the wiring diagram for the glow plug control module on Mercedes C220 CDI W203 model. First I'll show you in the service manual the location of the glow plug control module. And the location of the glow plug control module is just right there. It's number 18, just next to the ABS module. Next I'll show you the wiring diagram for the glow plug control module. That in blue is the glow plug control module, and it has two wires. The first wire is going to the engine control module and also to the alternator. The other wire is going directly, it's black and is going directly to the alternator. The glow plug has 4 more wires which are going to each of the glow plugs as well. Next I'll show you the location of the glow plug control module on the car. Like we saw in the service manual, the glow plug is on the left side of the car. And it's located next to the ABS module. It's right there. It has on one of the connectors has 2 wires going to the ECU and the alternator, and on the other connector it has 4 wires going to each glow plug. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you very much.